Today we're going to be working on teaching kiddos how to do an assisted back float. When teaching back floats, you're going to want to stay calm and patient, allowing the swimmers to repeat the skill as many times as they need to build their confidence. How should you introduce a back float? Well, first you want to create a comforting visual. Tell the swimmers to lie on their back as if they're going to sleep. Use simple body position cues like push your belly up to the sky or chin up. You want to add in support and gradual independence. Begin by having the swimmer rest their head on your shoulder like a pillow. Slowly back away, allowing their head to rest on the water while maintaining gentle support. Encourage relaxation by singing familiar songs like the ABCs or Happy Birthday to help them stay still. Work towards holding the back float for up to 10 seconds before returning to the wall. Floating can be intimidating, and many swimmers attempt it independently before they're ready. Gradually reduce your assistance, starting with a heavy assist before lightening the support. Use starfish arms, your arms extended to the sides, and encourage them to reinforce proper positioning over and over again. A correct back float position includes a head back, hips up, and toes pointed. Begin by patiently guiding all of your swimmers through this process. They will both develop confidence and floating skills and set a strong foundation for future swimming skills and techniques.